Hi guys, this is me Raj. Welcome to the Hackers Institute. So today in this tutorial we are going to see about the Metasploit framework. So everyone is having the question what is Metasploit and what is the use of this Metasploit framework. So today I'm going to give the answers for all your questions. Like what is Metasploit framework? See, the Metasploit framework is a very powerful tool which can be used by the cyber criminals and as well as the ethical hackers to probe the systematic. It's like a it's a very professional and very powerful tool to do the web application penetration testing and also the network penetration testing. So I'll show you the tool how it is working, and just open your terminal in the Kali Linux. Just give the command msf console is the command to start the Metasploit framework in your Kali Linux. This framework is inbuilt in Kali Linux. By giving this msf console command in the terminal, it will start. So this is a command line tool. To use this tool, you have to be good in this command line interface. So there is another version called Armitage. So that is a GUI version of this Metasploit framework. If you want, you can use the Metasploit framework in a GUI tool. You can use Armitage. Like before starting this tool, so you have to give the command called service Postgres SQL start. So why I have to give this command? See, this framework basically works depends upon the use of Postgres SQL database. So before starting the tool, we have to start the database so that you won't get any errors while using this tool, because sometimes it will be showing some errors. So if every time if you give this command, you won't get any errors. And also this msf control is the command. As I told you, just give this msf console, the Metasploit framework in your Linux will be started. So by using this tool, we can set our target and we can exploit our target. So there are so many exploits, auxiliaries, and the payloads which are all inbuilt in this framework. So by starting this tool in Kali Linux means we can use this service very easily. So now the tool is starting. So you'll be having this kind of options in your screen showing the starting the Metasploit framework. So without the Metasploit framework, there will be no penetration testing is there. See, here it is showing so many exploits, like 1947 exploits, and 1089 auxiliaries, 333 post, and the payloads. So we'll discuss about these things in the future videos. What is exploit? What is payloads? So I'll give you the detailed description of those things in my future videos. Like if you want to search any exploit, I'll show you one example. Like so there is one vulnerability called eternal blue. Like we can simply give the search eternal blue. The Metasploit framework will give the output. So these are all the vulnerabilities related to this eternal blue. So it is showing. So it's a very handy tool and also the powerful tool, which is very easy to use if you are good in this command line interface. You should be good in the commands so that you can easily control over the Metasploit framework. So thank you guys. So I'll see you with good contents in my future videos. Until then, it is bye bye from Raj.